Parents, you're gonna wanna add this to your first aid kit ASAP. This is Dr. Nice's Boo Boo Gel, and it is a topical first aid that even kids can use themselves. Plus, I mean, how cute is this little bottle? The directions are on the back. It says, for first time, pump several times to activate the hygienic airless dispenser. Dispense a pearl-sized amount onto your finger and gently apply a thin layer to the affected area. Allow 30 seconds for the formula to dry and create a clear, smooth barrier. Reapply as often as needed for continued soothing. For an extra cooling sensation, store the product in the fridge before use. It lists the ingredients as water, haloxamer hydrogel, gluconolactone, and sodium benzoate, and peppermint oil. 5 ingredients, y'all. Made in the USA. We love this. It smells like yummy peppermint. It doesn't burn or hurt or anything. The kids really love using it themselves. And it is fun. If you're not putting this in the backpack or whatever, you can just keep it in the fridge and it feels extra cool.